Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A man lost 8% of his salary and spent 8% of the remaining. He still has 130 dirhams left. What is his total salary? So let his salary be X dirhams. Therefore, he has first lost 8% of it. Therefore, amount he lost will be 8x by 100. 8x by 100 dirhams. So the amount that is left with him will be, therefore, remaining amount will be equal to x minus 8x by 100, which is equal to 100x minus 8x by 100, which is equal to 92x by 100. Again, this is dirhams. DHS. Now this is the remaining amount with him. Now he again spent 8% of this remaining. So the amount he spent from remaining is equal to 8%. So which is equal to 8 by 100 of 92x by 100, which is equal to 8 into 92x by 10,000. Let's simplify a bit. So this is 4 2s are 4 25s are. So this is 2500, and again we have 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12, so 23 here, and we have 25. Let's see, this is 4 6 are 4 2s are 4 5, so we have 23 into 2 divided by 625x. So this will be 46 by 625x. This is the amount he spent from remaining. So amount he is left with is equal to 92x by 100 minus 46x by 625, which is equal to, let's see, we'll again have here 23x by 25 minus 46x by 625. So we have 25 3s are 75, 25 2s are 50, plus 7 is 57, 575x minus 46x divided by 625. And this amount is given as how many dirhams? Let's see. This amount is given as 130 dirhams. So we simply put 130 on the left hand side of our equation and find out the value of x. So we write 130 here. So let's see, we have 625 multiplied by 130 equal to 575 minus 46 is, let's see, 15 minus 6 is 9. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 5 here. So we have 529x here. Now we know 529 is square of 23. So we have x equal to 625 multiplied by 130 divided by 23 multiplied by 23. Here we can also write 625 as 25 multiplied by 25 just to make the calculations easier. So let's see like this. Now we only calculate 25 divided by 23, which is equal to, let's see, 23 ones are, so we are left with 2 here. Let's see, 25 divided by 23 ones are 23, 2 here, decimal point 0 0 0. So we have 23 multiplied by 8 we know is 184. So it should be 184 subtracted. So we are left with 200 minus 184 is 16, 160. So now we know 23 into 6, 23 6 we have 138. So this is going to be 6. So if we round it off, we get 1.09, 2 digits after decimal point. So we'll remove this calculation and we have 1.09 multiplied by 1.09 multiplied by 130, which is equal to, let's see, 1.09 into 1.09, 9 nines are 81, 9 ones are 9 plus 109. So we have 18811. So we have 1.1881 into 130. Again, we can round it off to two digits after decimal point, and we are left with 1.19 into 130. So let's see, equal to 1.19 into 130. So this we can perform. So 0 plus 3 nines are 27. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 ones are 3. So we have this here, 119. So 0, 7, 9 plus 5, 14, 5, 1. Again 2 digits. So we have 154.7. So 154.7. And since X is his original salary, X is in dirhams. So this is 154.7 dirhams. DHS. So let's look at the given options. We have the closest number is 153.59, and since we have made few assumptions or rounding off, so we can take answer as option C.